Welcome to Lay's Kitchen, where flavors are without borders. Today, I am making Italian almond biscotti for the first time at home. This recipe started with a sweet memory from our spring 2026 trip to Italy. Fabio was our Airbnb host back in 2017, and on this trip, we had a reunion dinner with him and his wife Sarah. They brought us a gift of Fabio's mom's homemade biscotti and a bottle of Tuscan wine. The biscotti were the best I've ever had. Small, crunchy, rustic, and perfect for dipping. I didn't have her recipe, so I found an online Italian biscotti recipe and used it as my starting point for the first batch. For this version, I used butter, eggs, sugar, vanilla, flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, lemon zest, and whole almonds. The almonds were a little unruly, so I had to knead and press them into the dough. I divided the dough into 3 logs, flattened the tops, and baked them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. After cooling the logs for 10 minutes, I sliced them at an angle about 5/8 inch thick. The finished pieces were about 2.5 inches long. Then came the second bake. The original recipe called for 10 minutes, but mine needed closer to 15 minutes to become golden. I also flipped them halfway through so both sides could crisp evenly. The final biscotti were lightly golden, crisp, filled with almonds. I enjoyed mine with a glass of iced tea. This was a lovely first batch, but now I am very curious whether I can get closer to Fabio's mom's smaller, crunchier Italian biscotti. Thanks for watching Lay's Kitchen, where flavors are without borders.